Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys coupons to print. Now, I print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get points and I save my points all year long. But here is coupons to print. Now, there are ones that are new and there are ones that have reset, so definitely go ahead and do whatever you guys need to get. But we have $2 off Zycam, $2 off Nivea are new. I think those were available a while ago. 75 cents off of 3 avocados. We got 50 cents off of 2 Kleenex. I'm just going to print that one off. Glade Press and Seal or Cling Wrap. I'm printing that one off just because I might need it. We got $3 per Persil that reset. The Nexus reset, so I'm going to print that off. The $1 off of 3 Quaker reset, but I don't need to print any more of those. And then here we got Wellness Formula. That is a new coupon, $3 off that. And usually all the brand new coupons are kind of down in the middle. I'm just going to fast forward. We got $3 off Aveeno Lotion. I forgot this one. 50 cents off of Post. And then we have $1 off cat food. So $1 off that. I'm printing that off because I need to get more cat food for my cat. We have $1 off 2 bags of Malto-Meal, 50 cents off of Great Grains, $4 off Aveeno Facial Moisture, $2 off Facial Cleanser. We got Huggies, $1 off, 75 cents off of 2 for Ludens. Kellogg's, we got $2 off of 4. Chlora, I don't even know how to say that word, sorry you guys. $1.50 off of that. And then we got some other deals. They do have $1.50 off Excedrin. I'm printing that off. $1 off of Tylenol. $1.50 off of Chex Mix. I will be making some puppy chow, so I need to print that off. Another Aveeno. $1 off Aveeno. We have $1 off Meal Mix cat food. Cetaphil. And then these are just all ads right here. So, yes, but that is it on coupons to print. Ben & Jerry's is still available. Perel, the baby food is still available if you guys needed those. But just wanted to share with you guys that. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.